Hello, I would like to show you how to do a hard restart on Phonak receiver-in-the-canal hearing aids or Unitron receiver-in-the-canal hearing aids. If you notice that your hearing aids are glitching for some reason, or you put them in your charger and they are not charging, and if we ask you to do a hard restart, this is what I'd like you to do. So if you look at the back of the hearing aids, you see the multifunction button. We have the top part of the button and the bottom part of the button. So what I'm going to get you to do is hold the bottom button down for at least 30 seconds. You don't want to let go. It doesn't matter if the hearing aids, the lights are changing. Continue holding the button down for at least 30 seconds. This is a common problem when the hearing aid itself is not charging in the charger. A hard restart normally fixes it. So I'm still holding the button down, and we'll say it's been 30 seconds. I'm gonna let go, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the hearing aid in the charger. And if it wasn't charging before, it should start charging. So as you can see, the light comes on. So I would leave it in the charger for another hour, and hopefully you shouldn't have any more problems. If you find that you are constantly doing hard restarts, I do recommend going to see your hearing care professional, because there could possibly be a software update that needs to be done.